Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to study the fifth part of pronoun. Next kind of pronoun. Last classes we studied about the kinds. So now we are studying about the kinds of pronoun. First is a personal pronoun already completed. Reflective pronoun completed. Emphatic pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, interrogative pronouns, and total around 10 kinds of pronouns. Now we are studying one by one in every day, and today we will study another kind of pronoun, demonstrative pronoun. Demon, D-E-M-O-N, S-T-R-A-T-I-V-E, demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative pronouns means that word is used to point out an object, to show an object, to point out an object. And for example, this is a chalk. This is a chalk. And here this we use it to point out this chalk. This is a chalk. But that is a house. That point out the house. House is the object in the sentence. So I will write it. For example, this is a pen. That is a house. H-I-S. But this is a house. Sorry, this is a pen. This is a pen. Here, this is a pen. Here, this is known as the pronoun in this sentence, and the kind of pronoun is demonstrative pronoun. Here, this is known as the demonstrative pronoun because this pronoun shows or this noun points out the object. And what is the object in the sentence? Pen is the object in this sentence. Here look at next is that and house. Here demonstrative pronoun is that and the object is house. Okay. Then which are the demonstrative pronouns? Very simple. First is we can write this. This. What is this? Is a singular. And what is the plural of this? T-H-E. These. This is a pen. These are pens. Okay. This is the two demonstrative pronouns. The two more that. T-H-A-T, that. Now what is the plural form of the that? Those. T-H-O-S-E. Then we can write such. Such also. Such a kind of spatial, such kind of pictures, such kind of works, like that. Here, this is a singular and this is also singular. This is a pen. This is a pen. Here, after this pronoun, we use is. But if we use these, the plural demonstrative pronoun, these, after this, is will not come, and will come. These are P-A-N. Here look at pen singular, pens plural. With the singular object, we use this singular pronoun, this. And with the plural objects with the pens, with the plural objects, we use the plural demonstrative pronoun. This, these, that, those, then such. Singular. Then plural. two types of demonstrative pronouns. The first is very simple this plural THESC these. Here is a that and here is a those. Okay. Over. This is about the demonstrative pronouns. Then what is a demonstrative pronoun? A demonstrative pronoun is a word that is used to show or it is used to indicate an object. Now we study the formula. It is a formula. It is a definition of demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative pronoun means and it is a word. It is a word. Word means THIS. It is a word. It is a group of letters. So we can call it as a word. It is a word. It is used to indicate or used to show an object is known as demonstrative pronoun. In another word or in other words, we can say that demonstrative pronouns shows or indicate an object. Mainly there are four demonstrative pronouns. This, that. And this, that are used as in the form of a singular. And these and those are used as in the form of a plural. And besides these four demonstrative pronouns, we are using this also such. Yes, you see such patients, such kinds, such pictures, such type of words, such type of people. And this also and that such also SUCH such is also used as a demonstrative pronouns to indicate an object. Is it clear? Then one definition also in your PDF. The words that are used to point out an object are called demonstrative pronoun. Number of examples. This is a big house. These are beautiful pictures. That is a kite. This is my pen. Those are new cars. This is my bouquet. This is a pen I was looking for. That is a watch that I bought yesterday. This is your bouquet. Those are new houses. These are old houses. Those are new houses. These are old new houses. Very simple. Only study the five important words are used to ask the demonstrative pronouns. This, these, that, those, such. Total how many? 5. Very simple. Let us study it. It is very easy. And only 10 home assignment work also. So filling some answer questions. You should do that work in your home. Okay, thanks. The next we will meet again with another kind of pronoun. Thanks to all. Have a nice day.